Hi, I'm Alice Schertle, and I'm going to read my new Little Blue Truck book for Barnes & Noble Storytime. It's called Little Blue Truck and Racer Red. It's illustrated in the style of Jill McElmurry by John Joseph. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. Flowers buzzed with busy bees, birds were singing in the trees, rabbits scampering in the grass stopped to watch the two friends pass. Then, zoom, zoom, zoom! Look out! Cried Toad. Somebody thinks she owns the road. A bright red race car whizzed right by, then whizzed right back and shouted, "Hi, want a race? It's what I do. I'd love to have a race with you. I just love the way it feels to be the fastest thing on wheels." Beep, said Blue. But did you know there's lots to see when you go slow? Not for me, said Red. I'm fast. One thing I've never been is last. See my shape, all sleek and low. This shape is made for speed, you know. Please, 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 begged Racer Red. I'll race you to the pond, she said. Beep, 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 laughed Little Blue. I'll do my best. I'll race with you. Croak, said Toad. She thinks you're slow. Let's show her, Blue. Ready, set, go! Off they went with a roar and a squeal, hood to hood and wheel to wheel. Thundering down the dusty road, Racer Red, Blue, and Toad. Honk! Yelled Goose, and Hen cried, Cluck! Look who's racing with Little Blue Truck. Bah! Cried Sheep. Horse yelled, Nay! Here they come! Clear the way! Oink! Squealed Pig. Cow cried, Moo! There's a race on! Come on, Blue! Ma! Yelled Duck. Quack! Gasped Duck. Follow that car and Little Blue Truck. Little Blue Truck was in the lead. Then Racer Red put on some speed. She zipped by Blue and was leading still, but Blue caught up on a little hill. The pond was the finish line, just ahead. Who would be first? It was Racer Red. Beep, 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 said Blue. Well done. Congratulations, that was fun. You're not sad? Said Red. Not glum, even though you lost? How come? Beep, said Blue. The reason why is win or lose. It's fun to try. Here come my friends, Little Blue said. Hey, everyone. Meet Racer Red. Hop in if you'd like a ride. Everyone scrambled to jump inside. Beep, 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 said Little Blue. Racer Red, you come too. Off they went down the road, rolling along with Blue and Toad. Racer Red said, I've begun to think that slow is kind of fun. Fast is fun and slow is too, as long as you're with friends, said Blue. Beep, beep, beep. Little Blue Truck and Racer Red. Thanks for listening.